Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 2. And in this session, we are going to discuss about the first topic, data types. But present scenario, we don't know anything about the Python. Then how can I start about the first topic? We are completely zero. Then today I written a word data types. So before going to jump inside of this topic, we need to understand a predefined functions. Predefined functions means, again, don't get any confused. A simple way, a function is nothing but a ready-made template to you. Ready-made template. Again, technical word. Simple. Functions we have two ways. We can create in two ways. Built-in, and we can create our own functions. To create own functions, we need to spend at least 40 hours time. But I am talking built-in functions. Built-in functions are something which are already defined by your Python software. Built-in means readily available to you. Just to use it. Even you no need to import them. Someone already defined. Built-in means someone, Python people or Python developed people already defined its code. Present scenario or at the situation, how they developed is doesn't matter for us. We are not concentrating how they created. I want to create my own function. That things now not required. Why? Because if you want to create your own function, there is a one special section is there. That is a functions topic. Presently, I want to start my learning journey in Python. That's why I am going to introduce to you some functions. Like if you are trying to, or a child trying to learn English on their slate, so many days you will see ABC like that only. I mean, some say ABC alphabets are available. So many days these characters only available on their slate for English. Like same manner, to learn Python or to get a clarity on Python, we have to learn few functions. 5 functions I am going to introduce to you. And at this stage, if someone asks you what is function, okay, function is ready-made template. Okay, functions are two types. We already Python is developed and we can also create it. But presently, we don't have that ability to create our own function. Built-in function means Python developed function. Python in the sense who created Python software, that one guy who developed Python software, that person is giving to you some functions which are universal functions, common for everyone. And second one is, if you want to identify a function at end, you have these parenthesis brackets, some name, then after these parenthesis brackets are available, that you can call as a function. Maybe inside any value available, maybe may not, but this is a way parenthesis brackets are available. Inside maybe some values are available, maybe may not, but that is depends on the function. Some name, then after parenthesis brackets are available. The first function I am introducing in this course, the first one, that is a print function. First one is a print function, and make sure Python is a case sensitive language. Python is a case sensitive language. Means capital A not equal to small a, remember. Both are different. Both are completely different. There is no similarity between them. Capital A and small a both are different, not same. Both are not same. So maximum 90%, I cannot say 100, 90% Python code is available, even not code, instructions are available in the lowercase only. 10% only we have a uppercase. You don't worry, only that three things only, three letters only, even that three also, the first character of its name is in capital. Fine, come back to here. Okay, Python having some functions, like first one in English A, B, C, D, E, like in Python A, you can consider that is a print function. Excellent. The print function is there. My second question is what it does. Okay, you are writing on the screen, but what it does. Print function only there, but what it does, that is the second question. Why you have to learn this one? Print function prints on the console or on the screen or as a output. Print function, if you give anything, it will print on the screen as a output. Print function, if you provide anything, it will print on the screen. Like if you are already familiar to like C language, in C language we have a print F is there. But one thing, if you want to print anything, either write in the either between the single quotes, like I am writing good morning, write in the between single quotes, like in this way, or or write in the double quotes, one side double quote, another side double quote. This is also valid. But don't write one side single quote, one side single quote, another side double quote. This is wrong. Or one side double quote, another side single quote. This is wrong. And one side you're opening and second side you're not closing. It is also wrong. See here how I written in between the single quotes. Single quotes, double quote, there is no difference. Both are same only. Same pair you have to use. Between them, you can insert your required text. Means in if I open Python console, I'm writing in this way, print good morning. Then press enter key. You will get that output on the screen as good morning. Just to print a customized test. Customized test means if you want to print any your own test, if you want to print, you can use print function. You can use print function. Guys, I am explaining to you a basic example only. But with print function, we can or we are going to create the magics. But initial level, what it does means to print our own or customization. Customization means anything you can write as it is, it will print on the screen. If you want to print anything on the screen, you need to write in the form of string. String. Anything if you write between the double quotes or single quotes, that we can call as a string only. Okay, sir, how to execute this print function? Yesterday, we done the installation part. Go to the start button, type IDLE. Two ways I will explain. Maybe first time if you open the IDLE screen, how to open? First, go to the start button, type IDLE, not Python, IDLE, press enter. You will get this window. But the fact is, first time this screen is very, very small to you, not like in this way. So you have to do one thing. After getting console in the sense like this window, go to options. In the options, select the first one, configure IDLE. Increase the font size here. For example, if it is a 10, 12 is there, change it to some any best number depending on your requirement. Initially, it is very smallest one we have. You have maybe like this type of screen. Maybe this type of screen you may have. I feel that is very small. So reading or typing purpose, it is very complicated. So I am going to modify, not modify, changing the font size. Font you can anything select, but after best lot of observation, I am selecting consoles. Up to you. You can select any font, and I'm selecting bold also. Also apply. Okay. Then maximize the screen. This is your Python console, and these three greater than we can call as a Python prompt. Python prompt. We can call as a Python prompt. This is a Python prompt we can call. This is a Python prompt. Python prompt. So, like if it is a Windows, I'm opening CMD. CMD. This is a MS-DOS prompt we can call. Command prompt. C drive users location. Same manner, this is a Python console prompt or Python prompt also you can call. Python prompt. So even no need to get confused here. Why? Because see, this is a Python version and compiler and interpreter information. But you can say enter help below or click help above for the more information. Okay, just type help. Everything here only available. But what is telling help whenever I'm typing? Type help function for interactive help or help of, it is also help function. Inside write object. What is object again? Really, this word is we are unable to understand. But this word is, it is easy to understand. If you want to type help of function, you will get more interaction. You can see Python prompt modified to help prompt. Here only it is, I'm not getting from somewhere. It is available here only. See, if you want to learn the Python, see, if this is your first time using Python, you should definitely check the one tutorial they are providing. And if you want to get a expert level idea on Python, you should be good at, yes, the first one is some names are given, modules, keywords, symbols, topics. Yes, but you don't worry. Even though inside of that, anyone, if you want to get more information, just to type here. If you read the second paragraph, enter the name of the module or keyword or topic to get help on writing Python programs and using Python modules. See guys, really no training also not required. If you are having a reading or self-learner, everything is there only available. This is very clearly telling that if you want to get one topic information, yes, you can type like modules, like keywords, like symbols. See, for example, I want to see the symbols. Symbols I am typing. In Python used symbols, these all are. But in this way, we cannot learn the course. It is okay. Like a manual page. If we purchase any product, in the product inside, you have one manual page, manual book. The like manual book only this help. But in this way, it is very complicated. So what I am trying to do, again, I am coming back to my Python prompt. I am in help greater than symbol is there. Just type enter one time. You will be landed in Python prompt. You will be landed in now Python prompt. You can see three greater than are available. Sir, you cannot clear the screen. You cannot clear the screen in the ideally. Just whenever you will type, your console will come to the bottom. I will do best to, sorry, I will give to you best suggestion. Take off of the screen and keep in this way. Okay, just rotate it. Now the question is the manual pages purpose. First time you are opening ideally and you are getting Python prompt. So first time I'm going to use print function. Print, I'm not typing anything. Then dot dot dot, three dots, three dots, three dots, 5 lines came. Nothing but your Python still thinking something pending. You are trying to typing. Python thinking in this way. You are trying to giving something. Python, you started with the one parenthesis bracket. Always it will expect end bracket. Then only the function will be closed. You can see. So you can type properly, guys. Print. And one important point: never ever start a line with spaces at this time. If you type, for example, I'm writing print. I'm writing in double quotes. First only type the double quotes, 2 sides. Come back again means print. Again use backspace, not backspace. Use arrow symbol. Come to between the two double quotes. Not double quotes means you can use single quotes also. Up to you. Yes. Then you can type anything. Good morning. And come back. Come outside. Press enter. When we press enter key, you will get an output good morning. As it is, it will print on the screen. So many special characters also there. Even if you have a basic idea, please wait for some time. I will explain to you detail. My intention is every members I need to cover. Those who are starting from 0, I need to cover each and every member. And second time, so I'm writing print, how are you? Now tell me, what is your expected output here? What is your expected output? Is it going to print how are you question mark?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Srinivas, I am not getting yours. Left side not shown. What is the left side one? Srinivas.
There is a gap, there is a space, so it will not type.
Excellent, excellent. I'm going to get an error. Are you believe this word? If I press enter key, I am going to give error. Why, sir? Everything is good only. Before this execution, I
Space,
provided
space,
one statement.
space is there.
Never ever start a line with a space. Starting character. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
A line, if you see in this line, between you can use spaces. I'm not saying to you after first character. I'm exactly talking presently. We don't know space indentation, why we should provide spaces in the Python. So that's why don't use at beginning character as a space. Yes. So how to get previous typed command? I want to get this previous typed command, then not command, this function I want to get. How to get? Can I use arrow symbol? No. Any one of you parallel executing on your machine, guys? Please confirm it.
Yes.
Yeah. How to get back my previous typed command? Example, if it is a MS Office,
Up arrow, I think.
like
Yeah.
CD, you can use up arrow down arrow. Am I right? This way we can use it. But
Yes.
up arrow down
Yeah.
arrow in the Python ideally it won't work.
Okay.
Please try to use Alt P. Alt key press and hold and Alt P use. Alt P Alt N. Is it working? Please check.
Yes, it
Alt
is.
P and Alt N. Alt P up, Alt N down. Please check and confirm.
Yes.
Alt P. Guys, do press and hold Alt key, then alphabet P or character P. Okay, I'm using Alt P or RTN. You can see RTN. I'm getting previous type of command. Okay, fine. I provided space in this way. Just 1 second. For example, I'm typing something, then I notice this is wrong. This is wrong. Then how can I come outside? How can I come outside? How can I come outside? If I give enter key number of times, continuously it will go. But I am not sure there is a missing the closing bracket. If I don't know this closing bracket, how can I come outside? I started print function, open bracket. Then after I'm type some data and provided, but I am not sure. I'm not sure I am missing the double quote closing bracket. But you can easily identify on the screen, but I am not sure. But my intention is I need to interrupt or I want to exit from this prompt. That time, press Control plus C. Control key and C. You can see Control C. Control C. Interruption. Abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Abnormal termination. Is it fine? Okay. Print.
Yeah.
Good morning. Error. So, if you remove this space, yes, you will get a proper output on the screen. You will get a proper output in the screen. Even there are two special characters between the quotes. Between the quotes means either between single quotes or double quotes. /T. This is a one character only. I am typing two characters, but in Python thinking like it's a one character only. /T. /T. How to get this character? If you closely observe, backspace bottom side you have this one. Backspace bottom side in your keyboard you have alphabet T, small t only. You can use between the double quotes this one. It will provide you tab space. /n you can use. It will provide to you a new line. And again, I am saying one important point. These two symbols we can use between the either single quotes or double quotes only. Means now I will try to open Python. This is a Python ideally. You can enjoy in this. Otherwise, go to the Colab. This is also one more way is there. So what I'm writing now, just press Control key and rotate the mouse wheel. Screen will be zoom. I'm writing print good morning /t. Between the double quotes, my own test is there. Somewhere I'm using /t. Good morning. How are you? Have a nice day. See, here I have my own test is there between the double quotes. Somewhere I'm using between the double quotes only I'm using /t, /t, /t. 3 times I'm using. 2 times. So between the double quotes only, don't write outside. This is your normal test. This is a normal test. This is a normal test on your normal test from here to here. Somewhere I'm using /t. /t means one tab space. Generally, tab means 4 to 5 consecutive spaces. What is technical word? Consecutive means serially, space. Consecutive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consecutive means one after one. Consecutive spaces are available. So just type a word and click on this arrow symbol. First time it will take one small delay will be available. Why? Because it is connecting to your Google account. And second time onwards, you no need to wait. See, good morning, then some tab space. How are you? Then tab space. And then have a nice day. Again, you can go back and modify it even next time also you can write here good morning /t, and here how are you /t, and fine. Then again arrow symbol. See, this is the output you are seeing on the screen. Yes, Satya. Any query?
And I was just trying to ask you, like after /t space, if you give it. So
No,
you
not
just
required. /t after before, no need to give any spaces.
what you if you give space, what will happen? It will
Extra
take
space
another
will come.
space.
Tab plus space, two things will come.
Got
Tab
got it.
anyhow you will get. Tab means 4 or 5 spaces, depending on your system setting. One extra space. For example, here I am writing tab after 2 spaces I am providing. Where it is U after. This is small space is there. 1 second. Again you can run. Extra space came. Yes. Available on the screen.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. /n also. Guys, no need to use in same cell. Just click on one more cell. Plus code symbol is there. Na? You can write here. I'm writing. Yes. Python learning process. I am writing here /n. Here I am writing /t. Tell me guys, what is my expected output on the screen if I press the enter key? What is the output I can see? Please elaborate the output.
Python and below there will be learning.
It enters a new line.
Python only will come, some extra character. Close deep observation is required. Python only will come, Python space will come.
Python space plus space.
Yes, one
and
space
enter.
character will come here. One space will come here. Python n immediately you will get one space in this way. Then after controller will come to
New
next line. Then learning. Tab space.
Process.
Then, no. Tab space after what we have?
One more space.
Tab space after what we have? One more space is there or not? Between N T to P. Huh? Yes. Then process. But it is in the same line only. Am I right? This is a one.
Yeah.
One tab, one space. Python, one space. And execute it. Yes. Same thing only. No? Are you able to see that space? This is tab. Are you able to see before P character, one space? Is it right?
Yeah.
Can you print in this way? I want to print. For example, this is your page. Middle of the screen, I want to write menu code, print. I want to write in this style. You can write anything. Any number of times you can write logic. But I want mid of the screen, I want to write this information. Is it possible? Is it possible? How many lines are there presently on the screen? 4. 4 lines are there. Take the first one. Print function. Should be mid of the screen. Can I use how to bring this mid of the screen? Example 1, 2, 3. 3 tabs are there. How to take 3 tabs?
3/T.
Voice is very low. Please speak loudly.
/T.
Yes. Okay. Sorry, that is my side mistake.
/T.
Excellent. 3 times. Is it right? Consecutively 3 tabs. Then I write menu code. Yes.
/n.
Oh no,
Slash n.
excellent. You can write /n also, but individually 4 lines, 4 times you can write it. No problem. Can I write in this way? First line. Can I write in this way? First line.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can use /n. Excellent. That is also correct. /n. /n means where is your cursor?
Next slide.
Next line.
Down.
Yes. Yes. But
T
no.
/t.
Yes. But no need to take.
Slash t.
Yes. No need to take the more complicated. 4 lines you can write print function 4 times. No problem. We are at very basic level. Every time print function works in a new line only. So first time this will be print. Second time if I write the print function, again it will start in the new line only, na? Yes. Print function always start in the new line. Printing menu code, again if you are using print function, the second line will start it here only, na? Yes.
Okay.
So okay, you can write /n also you can use it. But I first see the basic one, then I will explain to you another one. Third line, automation, and fourth one, AI. Guys, everyone clear about this statement? Is it okay? Four times I am using. Is it fine? Is it fine, everyone?
Fourth line, how it came automatically without typing?
Print function every time print the statement in new line only. Print function, even if you move detailedly, by default there is a one parameter is there. The parameter name only one default parameter. By this default parameter, where is the help document? 1 second. Don't use this help function at this stage. What is the default element is there? By default? By default, what is the value is there for ending? /n. Okay, you no need to worry about that one. I written 4 times I'm using print function. 4 new lines will be created. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes.
Yes.
But
Yes,
sir,
yes,
you
yes.
are learning Python. Doing same activity. Why I should write 4 times? Can I print the same thing in one line? Can I print same thing in one line?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
yes.
you can say print function. Just to think from this document. What is the initial one?
Menu card.
Yes. Menu card. First 3 tabs, then menu card. As it is, I am copying first one. Between the singular double quotes, anything. Sir, first I am writing this one. Run this, working. Then, if I want to bring the cursor to the next line, why? Because I am not using 4 print functions. I am using only one print function. If I want to bring the cursor to the next line, which character I can use here? After code?
Automation.
/n.
/n, excellent, /n. /n after, you can see cursor coming to the
3
next
tabs.
line. Excellent. Again copy, but without quotes, guys. Why? Because already quotes are there. This is fine, everyone. Second one copied this element. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Now you can see the output. Then after my cursor is the second line, I want to bring to the cursor into the next line.
Again,
/n. Then whatever I have between the quotes, single quotes, I am writing.
Automation.
Can I write last one /n?
Yes.
But if I directly explain the second one, you will get the confusion or not? Yes. Now is it fine?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
We have to complete the code in less lines, guys. Yes. By default, if you are writing print function 4 times, you no need to write /n. Every time print function start in a new line. That's why 4 times new line started. But now you written here with the help of the one statement only, or one print function only, one print function only. With one print function, you are typing. With one print function, you are writing 4 lines. How simple it is. Okay, print function main duty is to print the customized test. Okay, then after I want to work with print function is clear, basic idea only, it is not advanced. The basic idea is clear to everyone? Basic idea is clear to everyone?
One question.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
One question.
Yes, please.
Like when you're giving this slash T like tab 3 times and writing like main menu, and again you're giving slash and 3 times, right?
Slash
What
end
if you
after?
give only one?
Okay. One, if you give one tab, you're asking?
I mean, if can we skip 1 or 2 tabs?
Yes, you can skip it, but
Doesn't make
no, if
nothing.
you see the
Okay.
difference, if I'm
Yeah,
writing
got
only
it.
one slash T, the alignment is missing, correct?
Missing. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. Second one, 3 times slash T, and second option is A. And press Alt Enter, guys. Even you no need to press arrow symbol. This arrow symbol. Alt, sorry, my mistake. Shift and Enter. Shift Enter, you can use it. Shift Enter. I will share to you this document also. You don't worry. Okay, come back here. So everything is good. Print to function, basic information, excellent. It is very easy to learn. Why? Because you can print your customized test only. But what is the use? So we are not learning to print our own test on the screen. So we need to understand a concept of a first concept, that is variables. Generally, if you have an idea about a 6th, 7th standard maths, or maybe you're already in the IT, technically or related to any programming language. What is the use of the variables? Generally, we are using, using this word from in our academics. What is the use of the variables?
To hold the value.
Excellent. Okay, to hold the value. Then
To
To
assign
store the value.
different
yes,
data types,
store the different values. Okay. Different in the sense?
data type,
Yes, data types. Give some examples possible, like string,
string,
like a
float,
number,
Number, Boolean.
like float, yes, boolean. String means already you know writing anything between singular double quotes. Am I right?
yes,
Like in this. A number means anything. Really,
digit,
number means this is a number. It's a number. Instead of calling number, the best word can I call integer?
yes,
Without point, simple.
Yes.
Without point number. Like minus or plus doesn't matter. 3, 20, -5, 0, -20. This is a one. Float means
decimal,
1.2.
float means in our mathematics decimal number, point numbers. Like 3.125, some number, 3.14, 9.99. Like these are the float. Even I'm not talking about this is Python, just a basic idea from our academics, we can learn this information. Just like a numbers only. So, but purpose is to hold the numbers, we can use the variables. Like in mathematics, let x equal to a number, let y equal to one number, yes, x plus y. Some mathematically also in the mathematics, if we don't know anything, we are assuming as a x and y. Same manner here also, you can use the variables. Here also variables we can use to hold the values. But one important, this topic is very big one. Python variables are dynamic typed variables. Any idea, guys, about this word? Dynamic typed.
runtime, it will change the value.
Runtime is different. That is an input function. Yes.
Value will be changed.
That is mutable. Even that is different. Dynamic typed values means in the programming area, before going to use a variable, we have to tell that variable name to either your interpreter or your compiler. What data type it is. Let me do one thing. I'm just opening the C language. C language online editor. C language. Just I'm going to show you how the C language is going to work. Okay. For example, how to create the variable? Simple. Even Python or any language, variable name, assignment operator, but officially you should call as the equal operator. It's the equal operator only. I know you know. Assignment operator you need to call. And some value like x equal to 20. Equal operator, you this side and that side, right side and left side, you can give n number of spaces. There is no error. This is right. It is right. It is also correct. All these are correct. But don't give starting character only space. So what is the meaning of this? 20 is going to store inside of x. I'm not talking about how to create the variable. I'm trying to explaining to you. First word, dynamic typed variables. So maximum, including Java.NET, the variables in other languages are static variables.
Same variable we can use multiple times.
Multiple times. Okay. Variable section utilization I will come. But in other languages, variables are static. Means before going to use them, you need to tell the data type. Like this is my C language compiler. Right? If I want to use, I'm trying to print, I'm creating one variable. In the C language, don't get any confused. I'm trying to print that variable on the screen. You can see if I run this program, I'm going to get an error. Why, sir? You can see what is the error. Please read carefully.
We need to define them.
First, use in this function. What is the error you can see? Everything is correct only. What is the error?
Space is there. It's undefined.
Just read that error carefully. Red color one, read it. Whether it is understandable or not, secondary. Read it.
I think space in there.
It is not Python. Please remember, it is a C language.
Oh, sorry.
Is undeclared.
Before going to use one variable, you need to tell to Python compiler, hey, it is an integer. You need to tell that word, then you can use it. Now happily it will. Okay, not happily. Sorry, the name is X. Now you can see working or not.
Yes.
Hello world is working or not. First you are informing the data type, then you are using. Am I right?
Yes.
So semicolon is required, but this story not required. Come outside if you have any confusion. In Python, you no need to define the data type. Just create a variable a equal to 20. That's it. You no need to define any data type. Python itself identify the data type. Example, which data type it is selecting? Maybe by the value you are giving it is a number or integer. But how to confirm that one which data type it is? For that, you can use second alphabet, that is a type. Type function will give the data type. It's alphabet B. So type of A. What is the data type? Which data type it is selecting?
Integer.
Integer. Are you defined as anything as integer for A?
No. No.
No.
Let me do one thing. K equals to 3.14. How to find out the data type of K?
Type of
Type of K. Yes. Identifying. Don't think about before words, class and other things. Just observe carefully which is in the quotes. What is the data type?
float.
Now tell me what is this future in Python? Now Python is easy or not?
Yes.
Based on this syntax, based on this example, other programming languages are static typed one. But Python not like, it is a dynamic typed one. It will reduce the burden. Yes, yes. Same question. What is static typed programming languages versus dynamic typed programming languages? What is very simple, guys? Static means first you need to execute the inform the early detection. I mean, simply for otherwise simple way. Okay, what is dynamic type languages? Example. Language is one where the type of variable is determined at runtime. It is identified at runtime when you press the enter key or alt. Python is the best example. JavaScript, Ruby, some other languages are there. And same thing I'm asking, opposite to dynamic, static is there. Your Java, .NET, everything will come here only. Right? So before going to use, first tell that variable name, then only it will understand. But that problem is not there here. Okay. Now the question is rules for creation of a variable name. But can I create variable with any name? Is it possible? Can I create a variable with any name? Is it possible?
Yeah, it is possible.
Okay, we will try to say. I am creating one variable like in equal to 40. It is not working. What is the reason?
This is a predefined variable.
N is the operator, just now.
No, it's not an operator really. Even 9abc equal to good morning I am writing. It is not working.
In means reserved data type.
This should not start with digit.
Excellent. There are 4 standard rules are there. Everything will not work in a smooth manner, guys. There are some total 4 standard rules are there. The 4 standard rules are important. Okay, we know how to create it, but to create the variable, there are 4 standard rules are there. I will start them in tomorrow session. For today, everyone having the idea about print function and type function, just overview only, but detail I will explain. These two are clear what it does?
Yes.
Okay. I will share to you small assignment for today on type function and print function. Please complete it. And tomorrow I will start the variable roles. My intention is I want to start a topic data type. Slowly I will come to the topic name. What is the use of the print function? What is the use of the print function?
Print the
To print
the output.
Print the customized text. Type is nothing but if you create a variable, the variable name, if you write between the parenthesis braces, it will print the data type name. Now onwards, I am calling Python as a dynamic typed variables language. Python is a dynamic typed variable language. We no need to define the data type name while storing a value. Python itself identify the data type name. All are good? All are good? Yeah. So guys, we will continue tomorrow. It's a continuation topic. Don't miss. The first, as per our plan, first 15 sessions are our target. You can observe the change out of 60 days. Okay, thank you. And I will update this recorded video into the group.
You said that you will give something to.
Sorry.
What?
You said that you were giving something today to do that testing like that.
Assignment you're asking?
Yeah.
I will upload in the, in WhatsApp group. I will update.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.